Hello everyone, in this video we're going to learn how to divide polynomials. So basically we have three different methods to divide polynomials. The first method, factor, the second method, long division, and the third method, synthetic division. Alright, so I'm going to use the first method. On the top, s squared plus 5s minus 50, I need to factor this one, so I use s method. Alright, on the top, I put C. On the bottom, I put B. C right here. A equals 1. B equals 5. And C equals negative 50. So keep that in mind. Alright, so C equals negative 50. And B equals 5. Now, I need to find two integers that multiply equals negative 50 add up to 5. So they are negative 5 and 10. Alright. So this guy right here, I just rewrite as minus 5 times s plus 10. Alright. On the bottom, it's going to be s minus 5 right here. This guy and this guy cancel out. I'm going to end up with s plus 10. Alright, so for factor method, I have s plus 10 as my answer. Alright, now let's move on to the second method. Alright, so you put s squared plus 5s minus 50. Alright, we do long division. And then s minus 5 right here. Alright, so you take the term with the highest power right here, divide by the terms with the highest power right here. So s squared divided by s, it could be s, you put s right here. Now you multiply back s times s, it could be s squared. And then s times negative 5, it could be negative 5s. Alright, and you subtract this one. Alright, so a lot of students make mistakes, so I strongly recommend you to convert this one to addition. So how do we do it? We take s times s, it can be s squared, right? So we need to change the sign. It turned out to be negative s squared. S times negative 5s can be negative 5s, so change the sign. It can be plus 5s right here. And then finally you do addition. So that's much better. You're gonna get rid of the negative sign. Alright, so s squared plus negative s squared, this guy 0. 5s plus 5s, it could be plus 10s right here. Now I print this one down, negative 50. Alright, now I keep dividing. I take 10s right here, I divide by s right here. Alright, 10s divided by s, it could be plus 10. Now I need to multiply this one back. 10 times s, it could be 10s. I change the sign. Negative 10s. 10 times negative 5, it could be negative 50. I change the sign, it should be plus 50. Now I just add them up. Alright, if you want to do addition, you need to change the sign, so keep that in mind. 10s plus negative 10s, it could be 0. Negative 50 plus 50, it could be 0. So my answer must be s plus 10 right here. Now let's move on to the last method, synthetic division. Alright, so we need to sketch the diagram like this. Alright, so right here, this is where we put divisor. And so our divisor is s minus 5. Alright, you need to change the sign out negative 5. It turns out to be plus 5. So we put 5 right here. Alright, on the top right here, this is s squared plus 5s minus 50. Alright, we just put the coefficient in front of s squared. It's going to be 1. Coefficient of s is going to be 5. And constant negative 50 right here. So we print them over here. So I have 1, 5, negative 50. Alright, now keep in mind we have the V diagram. Right, apply this V diagram. This guy right here, we're gonna multiply. This guy and this guy right here, we're gonna add. Alright, so let's see. Now the first terms right here, we need to print this guy down, 1. And then we draw a V diagram like this. Now 5 times 1, look, multiply and then add. 5 times 1 equals 5. 5 plus 5 equals 10. So I put 10 right here. Now I keep doing the V diagram. So it can be like this. Alright, 5 times 10 equals 50. 50 plus negative 50 equals 0. And then I'm done. Alright, now keep in mind this is 1 in front of s square. This is 5s. Now this one s square and then this turn out to be s. So 1s. This is 5s and this turn out to be constant. So this should be 10. And you put the plus sign right here. So my answer should be 1s plus 10 or s plus 10. And this is my final answer. Alright, so let's practice. I'm going to give you a problem for you to practice. S squared plus 7s plus 12 over s plus 3. Alright, leave your answer in the comment. And it's good time to stop. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Remember that if you failing to prepare, you're preparing to fail.
We rise like tall buildings as the chemicals they take us higher. The night's young and it's just begun as she puts her hand in mine.